I think when all is said and done, you're going to have a 392 that is going to wallop the competition, and you get the safety net of that warranty. Guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. Today I'm gonna go for a drive. I gotta pick up some money, run some errands and stuff. The to-do list for this Charger keeps getting thicker. I just went out and bought a an AFR gauge. You know, we're gonna have to replace that, and then I have to do the steering wheel. So, you know, some things need to get done, but that's not the point of the video. If you own a Scatpack or a 392, I got some good news for you. So 392 owners, it sounds like Dodge is listening. And for the first time ever, 392 Scatpack owners, you guys have stage kits. You have something that you can build power with and keep your warranty. So it's actually super nice. A while back we had it for the 5.7, and I still think you could get your hands on those stage kits. And now we have them for the Hellcat with the direct connection, and they are incorporating the Scatpack or the 392 into the direct connection. And there's going to be 3 stages that you could go through. You have the pre-stage, and then stage 1 and stage 2. Obviously you are going to be paying a lot of money for this horsepower, but you do get the benefit of keeping your warranty. And I know that's a huge concern for a lot of people out there with, you know, $40,000-$50,000, you know, optioned out 392. You could bring your car up, and you know, Dodge will be responsible for anything that goes wrong. So nobody knows exactly what's in these stage kits, and it's going to be a part of the direct connection that they just released for the Hellcats. I'm going to throw some ideas out there on what I think the stage kits will ballpark look like. This is just for entertainment purposes and to, you know, just bring awareness that this is coming down the pipeline. So really, guys, if you're interested in it, you know, just keep your eyes peeled. But first off, the pre-stage kits typically are a minor bolt-on with an upgraded tune. So I'm going to throw it out there that I think it's going to be some kind of a larger throttle body with a handheld device, similar to what we see with the Hellcats. You're going to see minimal bump in power, but it's going to be a more aggressive tune, and it should at least give you 15 to 20 horsepower with just a tune and a larger throttle body of some sort. The stage 2, I am going to assume, okay, remember, this is all guesses and for entertainment purposes. By all means, put your guesses down below, and when it's official, we'll make a follow-up video. I think it's going to be an upgraded cam with long tube headers, and I think this is going to be a huge gain. I think you're going to see the 392 really pick up some nice power. And so, like most other the stage kits, you have to do the pre-stage, then the stage 1, then the stage 2. You can't just get stage 2. So stage 2, I think, is going to be pretty much the biggest guess of them all. I think we're gonna see some kind of a forced air system that will run 5 or 6 pounds of boost. And whoa, I do not know where the hell I'm going. So lost the train of thought here. I think I was on stage 2. Okay, so we're gonna see probably some forced air, And with the long tubes, the new cam, and 5-6 pounds of boost out of some kind of a supercharger, it would be cool if we could see a Hellcat supercharger on there. But I think you're going to be hovering in a very conservative 650 wheel horsepower range. So you would be putting up very similar dyno numbers as a Hellcat. I don't know, you know, how it would stack up versus a Hellcat, obviously. But I think when all is said and done, you are going to have a very, very fast car. Now, the problem that most of these stage kits have, whether it was the 5.7 or the Hellcat, is the price that you're going to have to pay. I think when all is said and done, you're probably going to be $15,000 to $20,000. But you get to keep your warranty, so that's really the advantage of you know, these stage kits, is the fact that, you know, you get to modify your car, but then you also get to bring it up to Dodge and say, hey, you know, this is messed up, this is wrong, can you please fix it? So I think when all is said and done, you're going to have a 392 that is going to wallop the competition, and you get the safety net of that warranty. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, this is all speculation. All I've heard is that Dodge is going to be implementing a 392 within the direct connection, and you know, it's really good. I'm really happy for a lot of the Scatpack guys and the 392 guys, because, you know, that makes up the bulk of people in this hobby, is the 392 people. They're out there modding and having fun, and it's going to be nice to see you guys have the ability to continue down that route and get the, you know, the security of that warranty. So yeah, some good things happening. I think Dodge is listening to some of these videos, listening to some of you guys, and you know, Dodge, remember, we all don't have Hellcats, you know. We're all driving RTs, Scatpacks, and, you know, the few that do have a Hellcat, you know, big ups to them. But you know, there's more of us out there. So all right guys, I will check you on the next upload.